I have access to my company's control sales analysis. This is how you can access your Microsoft app and service from Microsoft Teams. Just open your Microsoft Teams, go to Ellipse, search or click on the Power BI, and you should see this screen for the Power BI. You select My Apps, Apps in Power BI, and you see all the available apps here. You select the desired one, and you see I have access to my company's control sales analysis. I can also pin this into a team, so I write the name of my Power BI control sales analysis, and you can select for a team and pin it on it. Also, as another step, pin it here in order to have a quick access when you open again your Teams right here.